Surprise to me.
Yeah,
Are
you
sure?
will. Yeah.
Why you buy something that
Because I love you.
no occasionally? What is that?
It's just something cheap, something that will help you. Okay?
Oh, what is that?
It is made for washing rice.
Okay, I will blog this. How to cook rice. Thank you very much, sir.
So
Nice one.
instead of having to do the old, whatever,
Okay.
okay,
Wow.
you can put the rice in and then rinse it and then drain the water. It drains out through here and through here, right?
And like that.
And then you don't lose any rice. Huh?
Your loves, I can easily
Huh?
throw the water.
Yeah, but this way you can wash the rice properly.
I can wash the
Huh?
rice properly.
There you go, babe.
Another thing.
Huh?
What a nice surprise. Oh my God. You make me lazy. Right, just for your dad is so amazing. My God. It makes me laugh. Every time I use this, I'm gonna be laughing.
When I bought the new rice cooker for you, you had to spend over $25 to get something. I can't remember what.
It says I can read the Chinese something here. It says here, inomata, inomata, inomata. Minukat ng muta, minukat ng mata. All right, rock and roll.